The mayor of San Francisco defending herself after being caught on video breaking her own city's indoor mask mandate. KRON 4's Maureen Kelly reports this isn't the first time Breed has been caught on camera barefaced inside recently.
This video, obtained exclusively by KRON 4 News, shows the mayor maskless while inside a Richmond District live music venue back on August 13th, with other guests without masks on. She is at a table with drinks in front of her. The city's health order states people may remove their masks while actively eating and drinking. Now, a new video posted online captured London Breed inside the Black Cat Jazz Club on her feet, dancing and singing in a room crowded with other guests. No one could be seen wearing a mask. We do not have permission to air the video, but we've posted a link on KRON4.com. It was shot during what's been described as a surprise impromptu performance with two of the original members of Tony, Bay Area musical legends. Today, Mayor London Breed called the fact that the video is making news sad.
This is nitpicking. This is really unfortunate. And let me tell you, when the spirit moves you because you are watching history in the making, Bay Area royalty perform, I don't know about you, but I'm not going to turn around and look for where my mask is or look to see and make sure I'm picking up a drink. I'm just going to let the spirit move me.
Mayor Breed's position is that she was following the health order because she was dancing at her table with food and drinks in a club where proof of vaccination is required.
No one has been more conservative about protecting themselves than I have, not just because I want to set an example, but because I don't want to get COVID. And I know many people feel the same way. So let's focus on what's most important. That is getting reopened, supporting our nightlife, enjoying our great city, getting back to the normal we once enjoyed and having a good time.
The mayor calls the media attention a distraction to the fact that San Francisco has done an incredible job around COVID and that we can have live performances in the city once again. Maureen Kelly, KRON 4 News.
And while the mayor calls her maskless dancing a non-story, infectious disease doctors say it does send the wrong message in the wake of San Francisco's mask mandate.
KRON 4's Dan Kermit is live in San Francisco tonight with more on this part of the story. Dan.
That's right. Medical experts say that you do need to be wearing a mask because you are not inside that club eating and drinking the whole time. They say there are risks inside, and what the mayor has done and is now saying about it is setting the wrong example.
I wasn't thinking about a mask. I was thinking about having a good time.
San Francisco Mayor London Breed may see criticism of her decision not to wear a mask at the Black Cat as nitpicking, but infectious disease doctors see it differently.
In a situation indoors where you're crowded together with people, that's more risky. And in a situation where people are singing, that's really risky because we know when people are singing, you're expelling so many more viral particles potentially.
UC Berkeley infectious disease specialist Dr. John Schwartzberg says not only is the behavior risky, but it sends the wrong message.
Even though she says you shouldn't and she's doing it, well, why shouldn't I? And it must not be that serious of an issue that I don't have to pay attention to it. And so it's really, of course, the wrong messaging to be given.
Currently, San Francisco has a public health order in place which says because of the recent surge in the Delta variant, everyone, including people who are fully vaccinated, must wear a well-fitted mask in indoor public settings. The order does allow people to remove their mask while actively eating or drinking. But the mayor was caught on video not eating or drinking, but dancing without a mask amidst a sea of other maskless audience members.
As all public figures, we should model the most conservative measures. Even speaking for healthcare professionals, I think me and my colleagues, we walk around town and, we have to kind of do the most conservative thing because all of us are exemplars of the population or the profession in which we represent.
UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin Hong says there are clear lessons to be learned from this.
It's not enough to make sure that everyone is vaccinated in an indoor setting where a lot of people are crowded together. And that's why the mask mandate was initiated.
And Dr. Chin Hong says that's the message to be learned from here. Right now, as you know, San Francisco has some of the most restrictive COVID-19 policies in the Bay Area. No word on any of that might be eased. In San Francisco, Dan Kermit, KRON 4 News.
Dan, thank you for